Hey, we're here at Thai Prime again with Tony. Chef Tony, how are you?
How are you today?
Excellent. So,
all right.
that beautiful sushi platter was amazing. Really, really good. And what are you going to make for us today?
The second one is going to be, we call Chirashi Platter.
Okay.
It's been the fishes on the rice.
Okay. Nice. All right.
Okay, we're going to start with some variety fish that we have. Start with the toro.
Okay.
It's the yellowtail. Tuna.
Now, this dish you created yourself, or did you?
Actually, this is Japanese traditional style, but I just fusion it, make it
Okay.
smaller pieces, more look nicer.
Okay. Nice. It's all about presentation, as we know.
Yes. So Japanese is not just the taste, so.
It's all presentation.
You can make on the board too.
What is your? I see your brace, the rubber band, the rubber around your.
It's
Training?
just for training.
I doubt you're training right now.
Pretty much just like a CrossFit, so you know, just stay in shape and then. Go. All right, here we go. Some warm sushi rice.
Not to deviate, but take a look at this. This is beautiful. Is that a volcano?
That is volcano, yes,
Okay,
sir.
nice. And what is the next one?
That is a rocky roll, which is tuna, salmon, avocado, topped with tuna, escobar, and scallop chunk.
Wow, amazing. It's beautiful.
Sesame seed. Some octopus.
it together really nice.
Go.
Oh wow, that is gorgeous, Tony. Really, really nice. Thank you so much for another beautiful dish.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.